Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video for you, and this time it is Pretty Suds, a brand new subscription to my channel. Never have I unboxed it or received it before. That's what the outer packaging looks like. If you're new to Pretty Suds, I'll give you a quick lowdown about what they're all about, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to see what I got inside, this is the July box, by the way. I've done a timestamp down in the comments below, so you're free to flick forward. So Pretty Suds is a UK-based, handmade, cruelty-free and vegan bath goodies subscription box. It costs £19.95 for an individual box, or if you opt for a monthly subscription, it'll come down to £17.96. Now, there's shipping on top of that. The cheapest shipping is £3.95, and that's for second class delivery. So altogether, if you're looking for a monthly subscription, your box and shipping will cost you £21.91 within mainland UK. Now, they do ship out of the UK. There are a few European countries listed on their website. I will link them down below in this description. So underneath this video, see show more, click that. That'll bring up the description and all the details related to this box and the list of countries as well. I'll pop that down below there. So in every box, you get between 6 to 8 items, and the products usually come to around £30 or more. They've got quite a busy website. You're able to buy pass boxes, you're able to buy bath bombs, shower gels, soaps, salt soaks and bath jellies as well. All products are handmade and all wrapped in biodegradable wrapping. If a box comes to you and there's a damaged item inside, what I do like about this box is that they do offer either a refund or credit back onto your account. This is actually a PR box, and as I said at the start, this is July's box. They have now started taking orders for the August box, and I believe it's got a holiday flying away type of theme to it. Pretty Suds sent this out to me in exchange for me doing an unboxing and telling you all about it on my channel, so I'm really excited to have a look. I have had a quick peek. Oh my gosh, it's like a lucky dip. I'll show you now. I can't tip it out fully, but So the theme for the July box is Every Colour of You, and it's a special edition bath art collection. These are still available to buy on their website, so if you really like the look of this box and you just fancy getting, say, a one-off box, then yeah, check out their website. So there's 4 bath crumbles, there's 3 bath bombs and 1 bath dust in this month's box. So the first one is a Curt Royale. These are all cocktail themed, I only just realised. So all cocktail themed. So that's the first one there. At the end of this video, I will be popping a bath bomb in the bath. So if you're interested in seeing what they are like, then make sure you watch till the end. I can't open it. My initial thoughts are that it would be lovely if there was some sort of resealable type of bag, but it seems once you open it up, that is it, it's open, unless you've got like a container or something to put them in afterwards. That's the only thing I would say, but the smell is just gorgeous. Really, really lovely. So that's what a bath melt looks like. Oh, it smells so gorgeous. What's it say? It just says Curt Royale, bath crumble, sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, cornstarch, sweet almond oil, polysorbate 80, charcoal, perfume, and C15100 and C142090. It tells you all the ingredients of the products. So there's that. The next we've got a bath bomb, and this is a strawberry daiquiri bath bomb. That's the outer packaging looks like. Cocktails don't last long with me because they're so tasty, and a lot of them, they don't taste really strong of alcohol, so it's like straight down. Gosh, that is so nice. Oh, that is lovely. Nice big one there. That is lovely. It says strawberry daiquiri geode bath bomb. So there's that. Come on. Ooh, there's a hole. Oh my gosh. Typical, innit? It has to be in the bath dust. There's a little hole here, so if I hold that tight there. So a massive bag of bath dust. And what have we got here? This is lemon vodka and tonic. Oh, let me have a sniff. I don't want it to go up my nose though. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, it does. It is. It smells exactly like lemon. It does. It smells tonic as well. Can't smell vodka. Vodka doesn't really have a strong smell, does it? But yeah, definitely lemon and tonic. Oh, that's lovely. I'm going to have to be careful now where I put that, but no, that is massive. Next we've got some peach snaps crumble. This is what the outer packaging looks like. Just put a tiny bit of a hole in here, just so I can have a sniff. Oh, yeah. I love anything really strong and fruity. I do love it. And yeah, it smells of peach snaps. Can you see it up close? So these are bath crumbles. This is not a strawberry daiquiri, this is a Hawaiian sunset. So sorry, that's a Hawaiian sunset bath bomb. This is a strawberry daiquiri. Look at that, that is beautiful. It's just like a little cupcake. It smells like strawberry sherbet. Oh, that's my favourite by far. Absolutely favourite by far. That is beautiful. And I've got something really cool. It says it's Tom's palette. Look how gorgeous that is. That is so, so sweet. That is lovely. I'm not going to open it, I'm going to save it. So that's a bath bomb, a massive bath bomb. You can see the size of it. It fills all my hands. Then I got a mojito bath crumbles. Oh, mojito is my favourite cocktail. I'm going to have to sniff this though. I'm going to have to sniff it. Oh, the peppermint. Peppermint's really strong. Mint then. Oh, that's nice. I can only just smell peppermint now. What are those white minty sweets? They're really strong. Extra strong mints. That's the one. It smells like extra strong mints. Oh, it's lovely. It doesn't really smell of mojito for me. It does smell really nice. So there's those. We've got some more bath crumbles and this is the last one. And this is a rhubarb and gin one. Rhubarb and gin. I haven't tried that combination before. Oh, oh, that smells really nice. That's the first one that smells like it could be a perfume. Like you could actually wear it, you know. All the others are quite fruity and you just want to eat them. But this one more smells like a really nice perfume. Oh, I wish you could smell them. So there's those. So those are all the products. So we've got 4 bath crumbles, bags of bath crumbles there. You can see them there. So there's those. We've got 3 bath bombs. This is so cute. But yeah, this is by far my favourite. So we've got 3 bath bombs there. And I've got to be careful with this one because there's a hole. But we've got a big bag of bath dust there as well. So yeah, so this is my very first box. I'm really grateful for Pretty Suds UK for sending this box out to me. Really happy with the products. I can't wait to try them. That strawberry daiquiri, as you know, I can't wait to try that. It just smells so, so gorgeous. I love the packaging, even like the leaflets and things. It's just super pretty, really pretty and quite funky. And yeah, it feels like a bit of a treat when I opened it up and going through it all. And as I said, it feels like a lucky dip. So I think personally for me, doing a monthly subscription box, it would be a bit too much. I don't think I would get through it all every single month, but I like the idea of dipping in and out of the subscription, like having a one-off box here and there. But yeah, we're all different, aren't we? But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you get the subscription? Is it a subscription that takes your fancy? Or is it a subscription that doesn't take your fancy? Do you think it's good value for money? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.